Hey everyone, welcome to Balnzed YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you a super simple tour of Balnzed and show you how it makes running a business way easier. First thing first, what is Balnzed? Basically, it's a tool built for people who aren't accountants. It's easy, it's friendly, and it's perfect for small business owners who just want to get things done. You might be thinking, okay, what does it actually do? Well, Balnzed helps you send invoices, track your spending, and see how much money you're actually making all in one place, and that you can access from anywhere. So the next question is, how do you know which Balnzed plan is right for you? Once you sign up, you'll be taken to our plans page where we offer 5 different options tailored for freelancers, small business, and even enterprise level companies. Simply choose the plan that fits your needs and activate it. And here is the best part. You don't have to decide right away. You can try all the Balnzed features free for 1 month, giving you the chance to experience the platform before committing. Welcome to your dashboard. Right now, we are looking at KBK Clothing, which is the sample company we'll use here. If you want to create multiple companies, just click Manage Companies, then hit New Company to set up one. Once you completed the setup, you can see it under the main company. Up here also, you can see your company's financial year. And if you don't like the navbar taking up space, you can hide it by clicking the little arrow at the top that gives you some extra room to work with. Here's the first thing you'll see when you log in. It's like a health check for your business. You don't have to go digging through folders. It shows you 4 simple cards. Total receivables, money customers owe you, then total payables, money you owe other people, and the bank balance, how much cash you actually have right now, and the most important one is net profit, how much you've earned after all the bills you've paid. There's also a chart shows your cash flow so you can see when money is coming in. If you see an invoice that's overdue in the ring, you'll know exactly who to call to get paid. You can also view your recent invoices here with details like client name, date, amount, and status. And in the last chart, you'll see the bank accounts you created along with the balances. Before we jump into sales, let's take a quick look at the items section. If you want to add something new, just click Name Item. From here, choose whether it's a product or a service. Enter item code and name. Now set the sales price and select the type of account. This way, whenever you sell this item, Balnzed already knows exactly which financial report to update under the right category. Also, you can add purchase details if you buy this from a supplier, or simply uncheck the box if you don't. Now hit Save button. That's it, you created an item. You can also edit and duplicate item. And now you might be wondering what happens once those items are ready to be used in real transaction. So now let's talk about invoices. When you're creating a new invoice in Balnzed, the first step is selecting a customer. If you have already entered into the application, pick one from this list. If not, you can quickly create one by adding their name, email address, mobile number, and even their WhatsApp number. Once the customer is set, you don't have to waste time typing long description or remembering prices. Just select the item and Balnzed instantly fills in all the details for you. You can specify the number of quantities and also you can include a discount. Okay, once you finish entering your items, you can add a note or a footer or even attach a PDF. Now you got 2 clear paths at the bottom of the screen, save or send to. If you want to double check details or wait for a final confirmation, click Save. This keeps the invoice as a draft. And here is the exciting part. When you are ready to finalize, open the invoice. At this point, you've got professional communication tools at your fingertips. WhatsApp and email instantly send the invoice, usually the fastest way to get a response. Or direct links. Copy the URL and share it through any chat platform. Every document has an activity history. For example, you can see exactly when a user created a specific invoice. This provides total transparency for your team. As soon as you click Mark Send, the system transitions it from a draft to a live receivable. And you can add the payment if you have received the money by clicking Add Payment. Now you can enter the amount you received over this tab and say that status is changed to paid. So on this invoice page, you can see totals for overdue, open and draft invoices all at once. You can also search for a particular invoice using the search bar. Each invoice is listed in this tab with all the key details: due date, invoice date, status, customer name, invoice number and amount. Okay, so just like invoices, yes, you can also create bills in Balnzed. And the steps are almost the same, so we'll keep this one short. Now we've already seen how to bring money in, so let's look at how we track money going out. Supplier invoices are recorded as bills in the purchases section. And here's how it works. You just enter the details, click mark as received once you've got it at the payment and hit the save button. Here's something useful. You'll notice the activity history, which shows every action taken on the bill. And from this page, you can also create a new bill or edit the one that you are looking at. Now, if you click the setting dots, you might think, what else can I do? Well, yes, you can duplicate the bill, print it, download a PDF, and even delete it. So, on the bills page, you'll see the total overdue, open, and total draft bills. And yes, you can filter bills by draft, request approval, awaiting payment, paid or reject. Now you might be thinking, what if I have repeating expenses? So here's the answer. You can create recurring bills too. And yes, we'll have a separate video that dives deeper into recurring templates, customer management and vendor management. So stay tuned for that. Each bill is listed with its status, whether it's paid, partially paid, or just received. And once you select a bill, you can mark it as received right here, or delete it, or export the details. When you click export, yes, you can download the detailed bill into an Excel sheet. Now you can see everything neatly laid out for the particular bill. And that's how simple Balnzed software really is. So you have got the invoices, you've got bills, and you've got all the tools to keep track of money coming in and going out all in one place. Now you might like to know how the Balnzed accounting software keeps everything balanced with your accounts. Yes, you heard it right. You can create multiple bank accounts in Balnzed. By default, we'll provide one account for cash, and you can simply add other accounts by clicking New Bank Account. Here you can create either a bank account or a credit card account. Just enter the name, number, currency, opening balance and decide whether you want this account as a default. You can also add details like bank name, phone number and address. And then just hit save button. Since we are using cash for this demo, we'll explain using that. Now here you can instantly see details like unreconciled count, ledger balance and statement balance for all the accounts you have. And yes, you can disable an account or delete it if you don't need it anymore. You can also edit an account and view its detail. By clicking this, you'll navigate into a new page full of details. Here you can create new income, expenses and transfer entries. Once you click import statement, you can upload it directly. Here I'll download a sample CSV file and upload it. Once you have uploaded the statement, you can import the details, and now we have successfully imported them. As you can see, the statements are listed here. You can delete a statement simply by selecting the one you want. You can also view details including what's been spent, what's been received, the balance and the status of that statement. And you view the history as usual. Here I want to mention that you can instantly check the ledger balance, statement balance and opening balance all in one place, and also the status of the statements, whether it's reconciled or not. Now you might be curious, how does Balnzed keep track all of this movement? Well, Every time you record a payment on an invoice or a bill, it automatically appears here in the transaction list. In the next tab, we can see the transfers we've made. So how do you do transfer in Balnzed? Well, that's easy. Just click New Transfer here, or you can click under the drop-down of Account in the nav bar. Select the From Account and To Account. Enter the date and amount. If needed, add a description. You can also select the payment method, add a reference or even attachment, and then click Save button. That's how simple it is. And now here you can see the transfer listed. You can edit it, view the transaction, and in the Transactions tab, you'll be able to see all the transfers you've made up to now. So here is the final and most important step, reconciliation. Think of it like your safety check. You are basically comparing your actual bank statement with the ledger balance in the Balnzed. If the unreconciled count shows 0, that means every single rupee in your bank account is properly recorded in your books. Alright, so how do you reconcile? First, pick the bank account you want. You'll see the bank name, account number, unreconciled count, ledger balance, and statement balance here. Once you click on the bank account, you'll be taken straight to the reconciliation page. From here, you can also create income or expense entries if needed. And if you want to switch, you can easily select a different bank account right from the same pot. If there is a transaction amount that matches, Balnzed will automatically suggest the action. All you need to do is click Match. That's it, easy. Under the bank transaction, you'll be able to notice that there are 3 reconciliation methods in the action column. If things don't line up automatically, you can use Find and Match. There are 2 tabs, Open Transaction and Best Matches. If there is a best match, the system will show it to you. Otherwise, you can manually reconcile. Here, we've got 2 expenses, one for 100 rupees and another one for 50 rupees. You can select the both and match them together. And you might be wondering, what happens if you ever feel stuck while using Balnzed? That's where our support section comes in. You can create a new ticket by entering a quick title and description of what you need. Once you hit create, our team is notified right away and will provide you with a personalized help. And that's it for today's walkthrough of Balnzed. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future updates. And last but not least, drop a comment below to let us know what else we can improve or modify for you. Your feedback helps us make Balnzed even better.